gentlemen, there are 3 washrooms on this aircraft, 1 at the front of the cabin and 2 at the rear. These may only be used when the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Let me also remind you BMI operates a strictly no smoking policy, therefore the washrooms are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors and the no smoking signs will remain on throughout the flight. Also, ladies and gentlemen, whenever seated we do recommend you keep your seatbelts loosely fastened. Thank you. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, the camera will commence the in-flight service. There's a menu card in the seat pockets in front of you on the last page of the Voyage magazine, which details all of our products and all of our prices. We have a selection of sandwiches, as well as drinks from the bar, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, cappuccino. We have sweet and savoury snacks to accompany your drinks. We accept cash in sterling and in euros. The lowest denomination we accept in euros is the 50-cent coin. For transactions £5 more, we accept Visa and MasterCard, and receipts are available upon request. We are pleased to be able to offer our Diamond Club members who reach Gold, Silver or Blue Plus status a complimentary meal deal on today's flight to Leeds, Bradford. Please assist the camera crew by handing them your Diamond Club card and we'll be more than happy to help you. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight to Leeds.